there, I have some beautiful lilac-y lavender card which I decorated. I used paste grain paint to do this, and you can check my other videos out on how to do this. And then I had a foam stamp in the shape of mosaic tiles, and that led for a lovely background. Also have some white 160 grams card which I'm going to use as a base. This is sort of a silk paper. It's got fibers of thread in. It is slightly what I would call fluffy compared to this kind of card which is smooth. So when you come to stick things down with this, double-sided tape might not work, so you might have to use normal glue. I seem to have been successful, but not always. And then I have some strips of my background card which I've cut into 1 centimeter strips. So let me show you what I'm going to be doing here. I have taken my strips of my decorated card, which was this background that I made, and I have placed them here and just interleaf a couple of them just to give it a bit of interest. Then I have taken some of my soft silky kind of paper, and onto that I have stuck a rectangle of my decorated card. And on that I have a skeletonized leaf which I've stuck down using gel medium. And I find gel medium is really great for things like ribbons and for skeletonized leaves where they are very thin and see-through. It doesn't leave a mark, which is great because, you know, often ribbon can stain quite a lot if you actually have a glue underneath it, or if you've used one of those sort of contact glues, they do tend to go yellow, whereas this one won't. And then I also have some silk paper here with just a strip of my background color underneath just to make it slightly firmer, and a sentiment. So I'm going to stick my sentiment down first, and I'm just going to place that in between my strips of woven bits of card. And then on the back of my silk paper I have my double-sided tape, and I'm just going to lift this up. Now if it wants to come away with the actual card, just make sure you press the edges down firmly and you should be good to go. Occasionally you get a piece of paper where the double-sided tape just doesn't stick at all, and then just use something like a glue stick, that will be fine. This one is behaving itself, so I'm happy about that. And I love just the gentleness of this printed card that I've made, and I love the fact that it is different. You're not going to find this anywhere in a store. So for those of you who do loads of printing with gel plates and things like that, then this is a fabulous way to use it. And my idea is to show you how to use it in a very simple way without actually having to have embossing machines and stamps and die folders and things like that. So I'm very happy with that card. It's nice and easy. I do have another little strip of my background color, which I think I'm going to stick there just to finish it off. So let me just get the backing off here. And it didn't take long to do, you know, cutting these strips. If I use a craft knife and a ruler, I prefer that to a guillotine. That's just my preference. It means one less piece of equipment on my table. Oh, there we go. I'm much happier with that. So it's all nicely stuck down. I haven't got a big solid color. I've got the nice contrast with the light white in between, and I'm very happy with that card. Please look out for the videos to show you how to make this card itself, and there are quite a few other different techniques as well. Thank you for joining me. I really appreciate your company. Bye for now.